Today we're going to learn about the life cycle of plants. Get ready to explore how a tiny seed grows into a big, beautiful plant. Here's an example of life cycle of a cherry plant. In this life cycle process, the seed turns into a sprouting seed, which then transforms into a sprout. Then comes the sapling, which emerges into a small tree. The small tree grows into a tree bearing flowers. Then the flowers transform into fruits. The fruits bear the seeds, and again, this is like a cycle. Seed stage. Every plant starts its life as a tiny seed. Seeds come in all shapes and sizes. Inside each seed is a baby plant called an embryo, waiting to grow. Germination. When a seed gets water, warmth, and air, it starts to grow. This is called germination. The seed sprouts a tiny root that goes down into the soil to drink water. Seedling. Next, the seedling grows its first leaves and begins to make its own food using sunlight. This is called photosynthesis. Growth. As the plant gets bigger, it grows more leaves, a strong stem, and lots of roots. This helps the plant get more sunlight, water, and nutrients from the soil. Flowering. When the plant is all grown up, it can make flowers. Flowers are very important because they help the plant make seeds. Pollination. Bees, butterflies, and wind help move pollen from one flower to another. This is called pollination. It helps flowers make seeds. Fruiting. After pollination, flowers turn into fruits. Inside the fruits are seeds, ready to start the life cycle all over again. Seed dispersal. Seeds can travel far away from the parent plant. They can be carried by wind, water, or animals. This is called seed dispersal. And that's the amazing life cycle of plants. From a tiny seed to a big plant, and back to seeds again. Now you know how plants grow and make new plants. Great job! Thanks for listening. You're now a plant life cycle expert. Look around and see if you can spot these stages in the plants near you.